Hello, my name is Ali from Cheshire Libraries, and I would like to share with you a book that I love, which is The Noise of Time by Julian Barnes, published by Vintage Fiction. The summary on the back of the book reads, in May 1937, a man in his early 30s waits by the lift of a Leningrad apartment block. He waits all through the night, expecting to be taken away to the big house. Any celebrity he has known in the previous decade is no use to him now, and few who are taken to the big house ever return. This book is based on the life of the composer Shostakovich. He lives his life in fear that the Russian state will not approve of his music. He battles with his desire to create his own music, whilst being aware that there will be repercussions if it is not in the correct style. This is a relatively short novel, but very powerful, with the sense of anxiety and fear throughout. The composer tries to be true to himself whilst being controlled by others. What struck me was how much time he spent anticipating the worst and preparing for it. He believes that he's going to be taken away. So rather than sleep, he packs and waits by the lift so that he is ready. The questions the book presented to me are: how can artistic talent be controlled when the aim is to be creative? And how much power should we allow others to have over us? Finally, the realization that we do not know what the future holds for us. It is pointless to live in fear of the future when it may be better than we imagine. Thank you for listening. Look out for more books we love from Cheshire Libraries coming soon.